This is one of my first ever winning dropshipping products. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you guys a handful of my first ever winning dropshipping products. So recently I went into my garage and came across a load of my old winning dropshipping products. So I thought it would be pretty cool to collect some of them, put them aside and reveal them to you in this video. All of the winning products are inside of this bag. 2 of them have made me over 6 figures. I'm going to be showing you exactly what they are, why I chose them and why they worked. Now before I actually jump into the bag and reveal to you what they are, if you could do just 2 small things for me. Firstly, if you could drop a like on this video, it helps out the video, helps out the channel and gives the algorithm some love. And second of all, drop a comment down below. Let me know any comments that you do have. I will be replying to as many as possible. If you don't have any questions, then drop a comment for the algorithm. And of course, if you are new here, make sure you do smash that subscribe button so you stay up to date with all of my latest videos showing you how exactly you can make more money online with your e-commerce stores, dropshipping stores and with Facebook ads. Okay, so let me reveal one of my first ever winning dropshipping products. Okay, I've got the bag here and let me find it. My first ever winning dropshipping product are these. You might not be able to see it. Let me break one out just so you can see exactly what it is. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but basically it's a horse ring. You can see we've got a gold version and a silver version there as well. They've got a little diamond at the back, but essentially this was one of my first ever winning products, and these here actually done over 6 figures. Now you may be wondering why on earth, how on earth did you find that product, and why did something like this win? So first and foremost, I found this product on Aliexpress, and back then there wasn't that many spy tools out there, so manual research was something that you had to do on Aliexpress. And when I was looking for products, I was looking for stuff which instinctively just jumped out, and I'll put the picture of this product on Aliexpress because you can still buy this product to this day on Aliexpress. Now because this product is jewelry, it has something which is called a high perceived value, and basically what a high perceived value is something which is perceived to be worth a hell of a lot more than what it actually costs. Now selling products with a high perceived value allows you to mark up your goods a hell of a lot more. So if you can try and find some products out there which have a higher perceived value, and of course, you know, jewelry is a very good example of that, then you can be onto something which can definitely be profitable in the future. Now another reason why I chose and sold this product is because when I first got started with dropshipping, my initial successes came from the pet niche. So I was selling products such as cat jewelry, dog jewelry, cat products, dog products, and what I decided to do is, because I was getting success and learning about the niche, how they talked, how I was structuring my creatives, my landing pages, I just thought to myself, okay, well, what other pets are out there that I could target? Now, I don't really think a horse is a pet.
What?
Is it a pet? I have no idea. Let me know in the comments down below if a horse is a pet. I have no idea. But essentially what I'm trying to say is I just applied the same methodology of what was already working to a different sub niche that I knew I could have success with. So if you've had success dropshipping within a specific niche or a specific type of product, then go out and when you'll do your product research, have a look for products which may be related to that niche or maybe within a specific or different sub niche within that niche that you've already previously had success with. So let me reveal to you the second winning dropshipping product that I had. Okay, this is this here. Not sure if you can see it. It's basically 2 chains. Forgive me. Let me see if I can just break it out. So there you can see it says best bitches on it, and you can take it apart. You give one to your your BFF, your best friend, and then you have one yourself essentially. And if you're wondering also why I've got so many of these products, or how many, why do I keep so many of them, is because I always like to, when I'm scaling a product, okay, I've always been this, I always like to make sure that my supplier sends me at least one of the products, so I can first and foremost know what it looks like, And second of all, I can take custom pictures with it. So if you are scaling a product, make sure you get your supplier to send you a handful of them, a couple of them, depending on what they cost, just so you've got some on hand. Now, I did find this product on Aliexpress doing cold research, such as the same first method. You can still get this product to this day on Aliexpress. I'll show it up on the screen. So why did a product like this chain win? Now, like the first product, it has a high perceived value. But most importantly, it has what's called an emotional connection. So a product like this, of course, you can buy something like, or girls or even guys can buy a product like this and give it to their best friend. And, you know, that has an emotional connection between those two people. So in the ad copy, in the product description, I was talking about share it with your best friends, you know, best friends for life, that emotional connection, the happier times, and all those kind of things. Now, you got to remember, okay, if you're selling a winning product basically comes down to two things. First and foremost, it's either going to solve someone's problem, either make their life easier, save them money, save them time, or make them look prettier or have better self-esteem. Okay, that's the first type of product. But the second type of product is cool, quirky, unique, but it has to be sold to a passionate audience. So a product like this falls into, of course, the second category of it is cool, quirky, and unique, because again, you could probably find these on the high street, but you know, in terms of on Facebook, it jumps out. So it's cool, quirky, and unique. And of course, people having that emotional connection, best friends, is that unique and passionate audience. So always remember those two things when you're searching for your next winning dropshipping products. So let me show you this third winning dropshipping product. Now, this one inside of here made me over 6 figures. Let me show you exactly what it is. So here we go. We have some nail gel there, some nail sets there, and some more gel there, and we have another one and some sort of, I'm not entirely sure what this is and how it works, but we have that there. So you may be wondering, what on earth does this product do? And I'll try and leave a video, or try and find a clip of someone using it on the screen so you can see how it works, because I'm not going to be the best in explaining how this product works. But essentially, I think girls, it allows them to pretty much just build out their nails. You know, so instead of going to the nail salon all of the time and paying for manicures, they can use this and build their nails at home. So this product falls into the solves a problem category, because of course it's going to first and foremost save women time from having to go to the nail salon all of the time back and forth, and of course save them money because they're able to, you know, build their nails or get acrylic looking nails at home without spending money all of the time at the nail salon. Now, this product I didn't find on AliExpress at first. I believe the place I actually found this was Ecom Hunt, and I think this was possibly one of my first winning products that I ever got from Ecom Hunt. Now, if you don't know what Ecom Hunt is, it is a spy tool for finding winning dropshipping products and winning Shopify stores. I'll leave an affiliate link down below if you do want to go and check that out. Another reason why this scaled so well is because the nail niche is very large, and there's so many different interests that you can target out there, such as nail, there's nail art, manicure, even pedicure, nail salons, beauty salons, and even as broad as beauty. You can target all of those with a winning product like this and get a lot of scale. So if you are looking for products that you want to scale to 5k, 10k per day, up to 25k per day plus, you are going to need a niche which is big enough that's going to enable you to have you know, a lot more consumers inside of the pool so that you can serve your ads to them. So hopefully you got some value from this video and you did enjoy seeing some of my first winning ever dropshipping products. If you did, make sure of course you do smash a like on this video. It helps out the channel, and of course drop a comment down below. I will be replying to as many questions as I possibly can, and even if you haven't got a question, then of course drop a comment just for the algo. Now, I know there are a lot more winning products inside of my garage, so if you want me to do a part 2 of this video of some of my winning products and explaining why they worked, then let me know in the comments and I'll try to get that video done. If you haven't got a copy of my 100% free dropshipping ebook, then click the link down below. It's 100% free. Go grab yourself a copy. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a comment, and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you later.